So guys, today we are here to import the data from the CSV file into the Salesforce with the help of the data loader. So for doing this, you need to download the data loader first. As I have already downloaded this, so I am just opening this data loader here. So like in the data loader, you can see like we can insert, update, delete, or export the file. So when I am clicking on the insert button, it's asking me to log in. So there are two options to log in the Salesforce. So first is OAuth, second one is password authentication. In like first we discuss about the password authentication, then we will go with the OAuth. So password authentication is nothing but you need to log in into the your Salesforce with the help of the security token. So as I am clicking on the authentication this, and then this will ask your username and your password. In this case, you will get your password order token from here. Like you need to click, or first you need to click on your profile, then you need to click on your setting button. After clicking on the setting button, you will get this window, and here in the left hand side you are having some options, and in my personal information you will get this option, reset my password security token, and then you need to click on the reset security button. When you click on the reset security button, you will get your security token on your registered email ID. As I have did this, so I will get I had this security token email here. Okay. So in this, with the help of this, you can log in with the help of the this token. So let's go with the data loader. So here we it is asking username. I have already logged in. So I have did previous days or previous time. So it's showing my username previous that I have used. So username will be the same, but the security token I just want to share a thing. In the password, you need to first type your password, that is your old password. Then you need to paste your security token. I have copied the security token, and now I am pasting my uh, password and the security token here. So when I click on login button, it verifies your username and password. Like as I have typed the wrong password here, the it's showing the check your username or password. If you are still can't login, contact your administration team. So I'm just what I need to do. I need to copy this. Okay. Then I need to go to this and type my password. Now you can see it's showing the login successful. The reason why I'm paste the wrong password here, I just want to verify, and I just want to show you like the Salesforce first verify your username or password. If this is wrong, then it show you your password name or username or password is incorrect. So now it's showing a login successful, so that is good for us. So we are going with the next button, and here there are two options. Like first you need to choose your object where you want to import the data. As I have already created data loader test, I have select this one. In the second option, they are asking to the file, which file you want to import the data. So I have already saved this file in the data loader folder, and this is 10 lakh records. And then I need to click on the sorry next button, and now it's verifying your CSV file. So just give time. So now you can see there is a record that is showing your file having the 10 lakh records. So click on the OK button, and here they are asking about your mapping. So you need to map your field or the file header. So click on the create and edit map. You can also choose your existing mapping here. I will